Toby's got a camera gun. Toby's got a camera gun. It's out.
We trained, we had 4 months infantry training in Lincoln.
Oh yeah.
Before we went abroad, January 42, we went to North Africa.
That was the same year. That was the same year that was made.
Was it?
The boat was made in Nottingham. Royal Ordnance Factory.
Yeah, which one do you want?
Pardon?
Which one was yours?
Either that one
Oh, the
or that one.
Lee-Enfield. Single shot.
No, it wasn't. It'd have been bolt action.
Yeah, bolt action,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
right,
yeah.
that's right.
It'd have either been that one, the
Yeah.
Mark IV, or the Mark III.
Oh, it was heavy, isn't it?
It was. It's just that you were younger.
You might not remember it.
God!
Listen, remember your bayonet?
Yeah.
Was it a spike or was it a big sword bayonet?
Sword.
Then you would have had that one.
Yeah, yeah.
That was the one later on. That was a 43 on.
Yeah.
You've had.
Which one? This
No, that's a Dad's Army one.
that one?
That one. You'd have had
Today.
that with a sword bayonet.
That's
on
right, that's right, yeah.
I used to break bayonets, but you got your Rambos in. Is it all coming back, Ray?
Which one are you, Reg? The one in the middle?
Ray?
That's right, yeah.
Ray, I should say. You're the one in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah, look at that. What an handsome bloke.
Yes, it was, wasn't it?
Is that Germany?
Yeah, yeah, it tells you there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Bad owner license.
that's
You
right,
come here
yeah.
on the corner and
And that's me again.
Don't we
19 years of age. 19 when I
It
joined.
was just after.
Oh, a Bath.
German, yeah. Oh, that's the English.
Yeah, Bath.
That we
British
used.
Army
Right,
Forces.
yeah.
We had them in Germany in
Yeah,
the 60s.
that's right.
What a waste of bloody time they were.
Yeah, I'll say. And then we went to Italy. Then we went to Anzio.
Oh,
You've heard of that, I
oh,
think,
Christ,
yeah.
yeah, my uncle.
God, it was murder.
I know it was. They shouldn't have, well,
The general was American.
I know, it wouldn't advance, would it?
We sat there for 2 whole days until they brought the whole bloody German army down to fight it. That's our own memorial there, Anzio.
Is it?
Yes, our own memorial.
lovely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's North Africa.
We was in North Africa, Tunis.
And then other
You
years.
get to Tunis.
Yes, definitely, yeah.
19.
Just
He was.
the
He was 19 when he joined up.
Under, Montgomery. We was in the first army, we were.
Yeah, it's
Bristol Sea, is that Austria
Pardon?
or is that Germany? Bristol Sea.
Oh, yeah.
It's been like flash.
Oh,
like
Oberstdorf, yeah, it's Germany.
Yes, yeah.
It's a bit big.
Yeah, I reckon myself, we were in
That's his
Virgin.
rifle.
Oh, yeah.
Tunis,
That's right, yeah. That's after the war, of course.
1946.
Yeah, yeah.
Year before I was born. You were getting your knees brown before I was born.
Yeah. Brussels. 4-day leave. Yeah. 4-day. After the war again. After the war again.
Yeah. Oh, you could have done that.
Yeah, we were in the first army, you see. Yeah. And we was in the hills before we got to Tunis. Then we all converged together. The 8th army and the first army. That's Angel.
My uncle was at Monte Cassino.
Oh, yeah. That was on the right hand side of it. Yeah.
They shouldn't have bombed that bloody one. They get them before they play.
Why?
Oh, yeah. He got his bloody coat.
Go on then.
Oh, that's mine.
That was fascinating.